Hi, good morning. Happy New Year. Actually, it's January 2nd, 2020. And I'm Phoenix. And I have decided, why don't I do like storytelling about the books or the comic books that I've been collecting for the past 30 years. And of course, I think I haven't actually featured my encyclopedia collection, um, specifically the Lego DC Comic Superheroes Character Encyclopedia, which I bought, I think, 2 years or 3 years ago. So, hi Wataru Kaito. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm mispronouncing your Facebook name. Let's just wait for the others. Actually, I invited Lara Toy Store, Sir Jason Santos, and the other brick hunters and collectors to watch my live, my FB live. And I'm very fortunate that yesterday I was added to the Pinoy Toy Vloggers community. So thank you so much. And of course, shout out to the brick hunters and collectors, the Larry Toy Store team. And of course, those I became friends with because I've been collecting minifigures, comic books. So there's a lot to mention. But I would like to mention first my FB pages, Imangelo, Comicology, and of course, Catalman Comics, and Fast Life of Colgay, and of course, my YouTube channel, which is I am Phoenix Ferrer. So if you have time, guys, please subscribe and support. And I hope I could build or create more great contents with you. So here we go. We have like 3 million people watching. Shows lang. Okay, so this is my Lego DC Comics Superheroes Character Encyclopedia. Actually, I have two encyclopedias specific for minifigures. And then I have DC Marvel encyclopedias in different versions. So, but now, hi Cappies, hi Holden. So, this is actually, the publisher is DK here. So, it comes actually with a minifigure. So, this is like a Batman pirate. There, it's exclusively comes with this one. And of course, here's the back portion or the back cover. So it says like enter the awesome world of Lego DC Comics superheroes, which includes like Batman, Superman, and their many friends and foes. So discover rare and unique minifigures, their action-packed sets, and learn about their cool vehicles and gadgets. And you can also check this. This is actually distributed by DK Publishing, which is in New York. So DK is actually Dorling Kindersley Publishing. And of course, this is, of course, collaboration with DC Comics. DC stands for Detective Comics and Warner Brothers. So it's copyrighted by DC. So the price actually for this encyclopedia is $18.99 in the US, and it's $21.99 cents in Canada. So if we are to convert that in pesos, let me check, guys. Wait lang. How much is the pesos nowadays? I think 49 something, right? So 18.99 times 49. So it's like 930.51, which is actually close to how much I bought it. I actually forgot the exact amount. I think it's 1,000, something in the range of the 1,000. Or 1,000 more, like 1,500, somewhere there. Of course, it's shipping and stuff. I actually bought this online. And I was glad that it looks good. Of course, there's like small dents at the sides of the book. And this one, there's a dent here, which is very obvious. So, that's the sad thing lang. Hi, Gemma Ryan. Thank you for watching. Hi, Baby Guapa. And when we open the book, so here is the illustration. So if you can see, there is Superman and actually Sword, the Kryptonians battling Superman. Of course, we have the Lex Luthor. So it looks like a blueprint graphic. And of course, this is the inside cover. So this is actually what's written by Simon Hugo and Kevin Scott. And of course the contents. So it has pages 1 to 208. But of course, the contents would start with page 4 until 208. So, let's see. I'm not gonna read everything here. I might take pictures of this one. So, it gives you like a premise of the book. So, enter the world of the Lego DC superheroes. So, brave Lego DC superheroes take many forms, from superpowered to purely courageous in highly tech gear gadgets. The villains they face are dangerously varied, and their minifigure counterparts like equally so. So, it comes with an instruction, a cute instruction on how to use the book. So, this book is a comprehensive guide to the 10 years of Lego DC superheroes, minifigure vehicles, explosive sets. Minifigures vehicles are ordered chronologically according to and when they were released. So this is actually comprised of 2006 to 2016. Hi, Miss Camilla. I love the storytelling time. Ah, God, Isidro used to do that every Saturday. Okay. Don't tell me kay dad catching agot. Check a lot. Okay. So here we go. So the first of course character that is featured here is of course, if Marvel has Iron Man, of course DC has Bruce Wayne. So if we know like DC Detective Comics, it actually is their what do you call that? Their mascot is actually Bruce Wayne. I think for the reason that toys in Merck's Batman are very profitable for DC Comics. If you notice, compared with Superman, Batman has like a lot of movies since the dawn of its creation. From TV version series to movies to cartoons movies also. So, very profitable si Bruce Wayne with DC. Of course, here, what I like about this encyclopedia, it gives you, of course, there, the name of the character, and it has like a small, what do you call it, subtitle, Bruce Wayne to the Manor Born. So, it gives you the idea that Bruce Wayne is, of course, born rich, and it has this one, did you know? So like for example, Wayne Enterprises includes Wayne Technologies, Wayne Medical, Wayne Foods, Wayne Weapons, Wayne Airlines, Wayne Energy, Wayne Entertainment, and more. So for short, Bruce Wayne owns Gotham City. So almost all the businesses in Gotham City is owned by the Wayne Enterprises. And of course, what is also awesome, it has like a vital statistics here, or vital stats. So it gives you like likes, bats, dislikes, bats. So it comes with an open close parenthesis that Bruce is a very complex guy, right? So he dislikes and likes bats. So, and his friends, of course, is Alfred here, and foes anyone who might discover his secret identity. Of course, Skill's brilliant businessman in Gear's secret hideout. And he has like this is like the sets that comes with this one with this character. So it's the Batcave, the Penguin, Mr. Freeze Invasion, and here is the set number where you can find this character, which is 7783, and it was actually released in 2006. And aside from that, it gives you like short and precise facts about Batman, like how he became a Batman, and then that Bruce is the billionaire. And of course, what is also nice, it actually gives you like details about the minifigure itself. Like for example, the hair that was used for this character. So this is actually a classic Lego hair, which was already used since 1979. And of course, the smirk is actually same with Colonel Hardy, which is page 91. And of course, the suit is used by Indiana Jones team. So it means that the Bruce Wayne character Lego here is actually using the torso suit of Indiana Jones, and then a classic Lego hair, and then a Colony Hardy smirk face. And then here we have, of course, the superhero identity of Bruce Wayne, which is Batman. So the Man in Black, right? So I think this encyclopedia was actually made for ages 6+. So that's why it's very easy to read. So the vocabulary, actually the words in the sentences are just simple. And of course, it has the same data like with the previous character. So it has like vital stats, did you know? And of course, here the difference is it has like a backpack, and then that Batman is a protector. And of course, it also describes like the minifigure itself. So this is like a classic Batman minifigure. So I think I have this minifigure. Permission muna. So it said that it comes actually with the Batcave. So I think that's the Bruce Wayne that I have. In a classic Batman, there, I think far back, if you can see, I have there the classic Batman. Okay, but let's go back to the Wikipedia. So this is like page 6 and 7. And here are like the different Batman. Of course, we have the Cape Crusader Batman. So this was actually released in 2007. And then we have here 2006, another Batman suit. And here we have 2008. So you notice that we have here a blue and then a black version. And this one has actually, the difference is it has a flexible Kevlar armor for this one. So I want to collect Lego again. While you're collecting Capkins, you can send me Legos too. So this is the Batmobile. And this is actually year 2006. Actually, I just lately started collecting DC minifigures. I've actually was focusing collecting with Marvel minifigures. So we have here like the Batmobile, and then here is a mini version of the Bat's buggy. And this is this is the Batman Dragster. And this is 2006. And this was actually with the set with Catwoman Pursuit. And here we have Alfred, of course. So he's Batman Butler. He's very neat looking. And then we have here a classic Robin. And then this is the Batcave. So I think this set is already... I don't have this set actually. So I think this is actually a bit rare to find one nowadays. This is like set 7783. So we have here like henchmen. Mr. Freeze. There's Mr. Freeze freezing Alfred. We have the Penguin, and we have the Robin. There's the henchman. And then we have their Bruce Wayne on top. And then we have his big monitors there. Actually, I'm not really fond of this Batcave. I like the one that I got, which I think we might find it here later. And next we have here Robin Scuba Jet. So what is profitable actually with the Batman characters is, of course, they come with like techie gadgets, techie armors, and of course transportation, different transportation mode. So that's why it's very profitable. So if you notice that every time there's a movie or a cartoon that is being released, a toy is actually being created. And actually, speaking about minifigures, there's a lot of minifigures that is being released by altered minifigure companies, which is not Lego. So they actually created more characters that Lego was haven't able to create. So that's why a lot of brick hunters like to collect out, like me, because there's like different characters that was created. Naunahan nila actually si Lego. And actually, for those who are very fond of Lego, and very, what do you call that? Very fanatic when it comes in they just collect Lego. But the truth of the matter is, actually, what happened was Lego wasn't able to renew the copyright for the bricks. So not all the bricks was copyrighted by Lego. So that's why they actually failed, or the cases that they actually filed for those China companies or other companies that are creating bricks. So we have here Nightwing. I don't actually like the hairpiece. It actually reminds me of like a Dragon Ball Z character or an anime character. So I'm not really fan of the hairpiece of Nightwing here. And I'm not sure, I don't think I have this Nightwing with this hairpiece. And next we have Catwoman. So she is Gotham City's #1 cat burglar. And of course, on recent comics, she was actually married with Batman. I'm not sure if the marriage was official na, because I'm not really fond of DC Comics. Sometimes I do read, but I'm more on the Marvel person. I collect actually DC for the sake of the minifigure characters. So we have her motorcycle here. We have Killer Croc. We have the Batboat. And we have Two-Face here, which I have. Henchman of Two-Face, which I don't have, which I think it's very rare to find in the henchman of the characters. So Sir Lara, I think that would be like I think one of my wish lists to collect henchmen, like different villains. And we have here the Joker, and of course his henchman. Actually, the heads of the henchmen for the different villains are almost the same. There. What varies actually is the body or the torso, as well as the leg. But the head that's being used as well as the beanie are the same. So I have here, I have this Joker. And Joker Copter, Joker's ice cream truck, and I think guys, I might lie low in collecting for 3 months. I hope I can because I think I need to first buy more space or buy more display cabinets for my collection. And this is like the Batcopter. And I have this one actually, like a mini version of this. I just created my own landing gear. And then we have here the Penguin. And he is Submarine. Penguin Submarine. We have Mr. Freeze. We have Poison Ivy. So, Mr. Freeze is described here as a cold-hearted scientist, while Poison Ivy is naughty by nature. And then we have the Scarecrow. And Scarecrow's biplane. Actually, his biplane reminds me of those planes that is being used in the farm areas or the rural areas when they do like the seedlings, right? And we have here the Riddler and a bat tank, which looks very awesome. And we have Harley, fan favorite Harley. So this is her classic costume, and this was released in 2012. So actually Harley was actually not a comic character. She was actually originally created just for the Batman TV series. And because of her fans, she gained a lot of fans with the Batman TV series. They decided to integrate Harley in the Batman mythos. And we have here Harley's Hummer truck. But right now Harley's is actually like with the good guys. There is like a new character that Batman is with. Ano, tabi? Wala. Wala ka pala? Wait lang guys. So, it has this Hummer truck. Sorry for the intermission number. That was my tita. And then we have Bane here. And then Bane's Tumblr. I think this is the same that was featured actually in the movie. This was actually released in 2008. Next, we have here Batman. So this is like the classic Batman costume in the comic books. But this was actually just released in 2012. And it's actually in a shade of blue. Like a dark blue color. And then we have another Joker here. And then we have another version of Bruce Wayne. And then we have an older Wonder Boy version. And this were released in 2012. And then we have like the Bat Cycle. And then Bane's Drill Tap, which looks pretty awesome. And then here are like the Batman friends. So we have Superman, the Man of Steel, who is a defender of Metropolis. And we have, of course, Wonder Woman. Her movie just came out, the Wonder Woman 1984. So this is actually her classic Wonder Woman costume in 1984. Amazonian princess look. So this was actually released in 2012. So this is a classic comic accurate Wonder Woman costume. And then we have Lex Luthor. So he is the greatest enemy of Superman. And then we have like Lex Luthor armor here, fighting with Wonder Woman. So here you go. We have Lex Luthor versus Superman versus Wonder Woman. So Lex Luthor is actually like the Tony Stark, but a villain version in the DC universe. So this is Lex Luthor war suit, and we have here Batman electro suit shocker, which is I think the same suit that was featured in the DC Apocalypse movie lately when he was captured by Darkseid. And of course, we have your henchman of the Joker, which is actually rare to find nowadays. And it comes with his own helicopter. And then we have the Batwing, Batmobile, Two-Face, another version, Two-Face, and then we have like a guard here. I think this is just a classic guard, but the same face original Bruce Wayne. Yep. So what I noticed here, the face actually is the same face that they use with Bruce Wayne minifigure in 2006. So I have this guard. It comes actually with the Arkham Asylum set that I have. And this is like Two-Face henchmen. I think this face are like the other side is this one and the other side is this one. So it's reversible. It's back to back. And then we have Two-Face Car here. Bizarro. So actually Bizarro is like a character that that I personally would consider him as a villain. He is like an experiment gone wrong. And he has like a brain of like 6 years old. So he just wanted to be like Superman. But then he is actually just a replica or a clone of Superman. A model clone, in fact. And here we have Shazam, which actually was originally called Mr. Marvel before Marvel Comics has officially copyrighted the name Marvel. So he was Captain Marvel, but then when Marvel Comics came into existence, they just named him as Shazam, of course, which stands for the different gods that provides his power. And then we have here Jor-El. Jor-El is Superman's father, so that's why he looks older. And this actually was created or released in 2013. We have, of course, Green Arrow, which is actually the Hawkeye, the Hawkeye of DC Comics. And then we have here a Wing Batman, which I have, and same with Hawkeye. I with same with Green Arrow. I mean, this is a Joker Arkham Prisoner, which I have a set of this, which also comes with a Dr. Harley Quinzel minifigure. So if you notice, like Dr. Harleen Quinzel here wears a doctor outfit, but beneath it is the Harley Quinn costume. She became infatuated with Joker. And here we have another version of Robin. And then I have this one. So this is the Arkham Asylum security van. And I have this set, the Arkham Asylum. But unfortunately, to be honest, I was actually disappointed with the online seller that I got the set with. There were like a few pieces that were missing, but I was just fortunate that I have like extra pieces, so I was able to recreate some of those missing pieces. So we have here Aquaman, ruler of Atlantis, and we have an Arctic Batboat. So Arctic Batman, Mr. Freeze, the Bane of Bane Batman, and we have Commissioner Gordon wearing a SWAT bulletproof vest. We have Bane, and of course Bane's tumbler. So this is like another version of his tumbler. And of course we have the Bat, and we have Superman in black, and we have your Lois Lane, classic Lois Lane, released in 2013, and we have like here the last son of Krypton, Superman, 2013. And then we have here, of course, a sports car, Metropolis Motor. And this is actually Sword. And then an off-road roader. And then we have like the different Kryptonians. We have here Zod, General Zod, or a Kryptonian criminal. And then we have here Colonel Hard, U.S. Force hero. Faora, Kryptonian, Toran, Kryptonian Soldier, which I don't have, so I might break hunt for this one. And then we have here the Black Zero drops to the ship with Plastic Man. So here it goes. Here's the set. A Smallville attack. I will go for Lego Simpsons or Lego Doctor Strange siguro because they already covered DC. That will be my 2001 hobby. Very good for you. Actually, you can check like Sanctum Sanctorium. You can try Capes, like the Sanctum Sanctorium, Doctor Strange. There's like an alt version. You could spend, I think, for the whole building, like 8,000 pesos. If you want, you can check for like sellers online. And we have here the Penguin and Batman, Scuba Batman. We have here the Penguin Duck Boat, which I think this is not the one that they have. Mine is a bit bigger, I think. Let me check. It's the same. So I have this one. So but I don't have like a scuba vehicle. So I'll just scan through the encyclopedia. Nightwing, Man-Bat, Batcopter, Batmobile, Batman, Batflash. There's a lot, guys. So like different versions from 2006. So we are now in 2014. So we have Riddler. Hi ETF. Hi Celestine. Actually, I'm more on the collecting of like the minifigure itself rather than the vehicles. Because collecting the vehicles might take a lot of space, which I don't have currently. I need more space. Or I need like a new room. Check lang, Tita Doc, I need a new room. I need to move to a new room. So we have here the Joker Steamroller Batwing, which I have. I have this one. This is like one of the first Batman vehicles that I have. And we have here the Dark Knight Rising costume. We have here the Joker. I have this one. And then here we have like the Green Lantern, Sinestro, Superboy. And then we have here, this is like Electro Lad, Lightning Lad, there. Sinestro. So I'll just scan with the pages, guys. So we have like Wonder Woman. This is a different costume. Captain Cold, Batman. So most of the characters here I already have, but there are like a few of them that are rare to find nowadays. But I might try to look for them. So I'll just actually do like a scan or like take pictures of the pages so that I can share it with you if you want. So if you want, I can do that for you. So we have here Supergirl, Superman, and then Matsaro. This is the skull ship for Brainiac. Deathstroke, Sharian, your favorite character, and Robin here. And then like more vehicles. So we have here the Teen Titans, Starfire, Beast Boy, another version of Harley Quinn. So this is the Joker Land. One of my wish lists to collect soon. Arsenal, Trickster, Deadshot, Harley Quinn, Batcycle, Harley's bike, Lex Luthor with hair, younger version. Henchman of Lex Luthor Corp, LexCorp, Armored Batman, Superman rebooted version. And then we have here, of course, this is like the new Wonder Woman, Gal Gadot version. So this is 2016. We have like here Loose Lane, Batmobile, Bruce Wayne, another version of Bruce Wayne. And this is like a classic Batman TV series before. I think in the 80s. 60s, I mean. 60s or 70s. And then it also like a classic Catwoman there. So this is the classic version, TV series version, and comic version. There. Actually, I wanted to collect actually this set for the Batcave because it really looks like a Batcave with the, of course, you can see like the inside of the cave itself, and then you have here like, I think this is like the manor where it goes down. There's like an elevator that takes you down to the Batcave. So this is the office of Bruce Wayne here. It has Alfred. But when I tried to look for this set, it's actually out of stock. So I do hope that they would make more someday. And here we go. So I have here like the micros. So this is like the micros of Catwoman, Batman, Robin, Bane. I'm not certain if I've collected them all yet, but soon I might. And here is like the model designer, John Coppage. So he was responsible actually in creating some of the minifigures here that we have. And we have here like the senior graphic designer, Adam Bailey. And here are the set galleries that were featured in this book, encyclopedia. So 2006, 2007, 2008, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, and that's it. So I hope you like my storytelling for this DC superhero character encyclopedia by Lego. And I have another book. Actually, it's also like a Lego, a visual encyclopedia. It's bigger, so I might do that next time. So please check my YouTube channel, I Am Phoenix, and check my different pages in Facebook. Catalman Comics, Imangelo, Comicology. And stay safe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the new year. So, bye for now and stay safe. Love you much. I'm Phoenix again. Bye now.